Welcome, in front of me I have LG Q6 and today we are going to make the speaker sound quality test with this no copyright music from audio library YouTube channel. And in this device you can find speaker at the bottom, I mean at the back and the left bottom corner in this place. So let's start. Let's test how it sounds. Okay, so as you can hear, that's how the speaker sound, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.